Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn buy and sell method which is profits you more than $500. Let's get into the video.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome back to the TechWine. I'm Malik. I'm helping people to make some extra income and increase their passive income and also computer-based tech solutions. If this is the first time you're in my video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon, guys. To do this method, you have to open your web browser. I'm going to open my favorite Google Chrome. Okay, now you have to use two websites to do this method. Number one, Amazon.com. Another one is eBay.com. Okay, we are on eBay now, guys. This is very easy and you guys have to be patient. Okay, click on today deals. Today deals are so good, but I'm not going to tell that you have to use these products. So these are great, but I'm not guaranteed. So this is not guaranteed that you can make profit. So choose here. You have departments like this: arts, craft and saving, automotive, motorcycle, baby clothing, accessories, beauty, books and etc. So my favorite here, cell phones and accessories. You guys can choose whatever you like, you love to sell. You guys, here's the thing, we're going to buy this thing from Amazon. You see the price, $6 or $10.19, $6. You see that cheap price. Just copy this. I'm going to show you how this works, guys. This one is very easy method. You can earn more than 500 profits. Just copy. Mean you have some, you guys need some capital to buy these products, so spend little, you can get more. Okay guys, see the price level of this product and check those. Check the same product in eBay. Okay, I just copy that name and I just paste it in eBay. Just search that. Ooh, look at that, exactly same product but different prices. In Amazon you can buy it so cheaply and you can sell it with the profits. You see guys, the price $18 on eBay. You guys, $10, the same price, it's not matter. You see $23. Guys, you can make profit by doing this method, but one thing, eBay takes 10% from your price level. Let's calculate that. You spend $6, we can tell $7 for buy that product, $7. Okay, and you sell it for $18. Okay, $18, and you have $11 here, but eBay takes 10% from $18. eBay takes 10%, so it's 1.8. Now you have a profits in 11, but eBay take 1.8, 9.2. Guys, you can get $9 profit from this product, only this product. So here you got lots of products in Amazon. These and promotion, guys. Let's check this one. Okay, you see guys, exactly same product but different prices. You see, $10 to $11 in Amazon, but eBay $19, $21. You see guys, who thinks you can do this? If you believe you can do this, if you want to do this, you will do this. Think positive and spend little capital for to buy those products from Amazon and sell it in eBay. Guys, you guys need to register in Amazon and also eBay, and you guys will need some PayPal or Skrill account to buy and sell. Not only cell phones and accessories, you can choose computers, accessories, costumes, electronics, whatever you guys like, whatever you guys love, you can choose. But one thing, don't choose a bundle, something like that. Don't choose one product first, then buy it, then sell it. You guys think you can handle this? You can do this? If you believe that, buy another one and increase the level of items that you are buying on Amazon. Just check one product and then sell it. If you have profit, you can get another one, and you can increase the level of amount of products that you are buying and selling. You can increase this business, you can develop this business. And guys, do you like this method? I'm also doing this, but I'm having profit, yes, but I'm not doing like a big company, but I'm doing this individually. I have a Facebook page. I get this from Amazon. I promote it using my Facebook page. We have to spend little capital, little amount of money to get customers. You guys, when a customer buy this from eBay, guys, you got profit. That's easy, guys. If you believe you can do this, you can definitely, you can do this. If you like this method, if this works, or you have another methods, just let us know by giving a comment below. That's all, guys. I hope you guys like this, and I like to give advice because I'm telling this. Don't get lots of products in the same time. Buy one and sell it. If you like it, you can get more. You can do this again and again. You can have more profit. But I'm telling this because I'm also doing this. I got, yes, it's really works for me. That's why I'm telling. Okay guys, thank you very much. That's all for today. I'm Mike with TechWine. If you have any questions, and if you have any suggestions, if you have any new ideas, just give us a comment. I can read it and I can tell it to other people. We can share it. We can do this together. Okay guys, have a nice day and happy sailings. I'll see you in my next video.